Everyone, thank you so much for being here with me. My name is Daisy Love, and for today, let's talk a little bit about how to network. I already have a workshop on networking effectively, and we also have articles on that. It is such a big part of our lives, knowing how to network effectively, properly. So, what are the steps that you can look into if you want to know how to network? The first one I said, have a goal. It is really important if you are networking to have a goal. What we are doing here is also networking. Being online, it's also networking. But how do you present yourself? How do you do that? You need to have a goal. If you are on Instagram, have a goal for Instagram, have a goal for the year, have a goal for the week, right? So, the first thing, if you want to learn how to network effectively, is to have a goal. Step two, understand that you can network anywhere, both online and offline. Networking, it's not as grand as people are making it seem. We network anywhere. We network both online, as I am doing here with you guys, or offline when you are going to the grocery store, when you are walking down the street, when you are talking to someone. It is networking. So you have to be in the mindset of understanding that anywhere that you are, you actually network. People who have an Instagram page and they never engage, they never communicate, they never post, they never share. Why are you here? Because you are missing big time on your opportunity to network with another. When you are engaging with someone, you are writing in the comment section, you are liking their stories, you are resharing a post, you are resharing a story, you are getting noticed by that individual. That individual is paying attention to you. This is how you can get noticed by someone who is online. So be in the habit to understand and to know how to network both online and offline. Step three, I said presentation is key. Always engage. This is what we talked about. Presentation is key. When you are online, your page is the way that you are communicating with someone. Someone can decide that they want to follow you, they want to engage because they love the content and the presentation that you have. So be in the habit of understanding that even when online, there is a way for you to present your pages. You're not going to sell something that you're not, but you also want to put your best foot forward. These are the three steps that I have for you. We already have workshops development on networking effectively along with articles. If you choose to join our mentorship session 2026, you will be fully immersed in understanding how to network like a pro. Our registration is open. Submit your email over at youthagencyinternational@gmail.com. I look forward to receiving your inquiries.